Okay. Hello, it's me, Aila.
And Maya.
And today is Blocker.
And today is Blackpink.
Alright, okay.
Maya, Aila, the box is under the table.
Okay. Maya, you get the box.
The
box.
This is. Ooh. We know what they are.
Oh, we've had these. So, on Saturday, me and Maya had a choice of what we wanted to bake in this cookbook that we had. And I chose this. Right, take one. You can take this.
Here you go.
These are dried apricots with raisins and bashed cookies and with chocolate all over them.
This is the inside.
I don't know. Looks.
It's a homemade.
Really good. I suggest you make this at home.
Yeah, because it's quite good. Blah blah. What was I saying, blah? Why was I saying blah?
So how did you make them?
So,
We used the
first
raisins.
I cut up dried apricots, and then Maya, she was like taking some nuts.
Yeah, and I break them into tiny pieces.
Then
Blah.
we put some raisins into a bowl. Then we put some biscuits in a bag, and then we bashed it up with a rolling pin, not a ruler. and then we melted some chocolate, put all of the other ingredients like the biscuits, the apricots, the nuts, and the things into a bowl. And then we put some chocolate in, mixed it all together, and then we put it in a pan, put it in the freezer, and done. I think it is top bananas.
That is what Milkshake Monkey would say. Top bananas.
Because
Have you been
Blah.
to school today?
no, today is Sunday. I mean, last week on Saturday we baked them. And today we get a day off Monday.
You can have another one.
Oh, thank you, Maya. I'm full.
Would you like another one?
Uh-huh.
And the last one is
Okay.
You can see this apricot hanging out.
Blah blah. Blah 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 blah.
Thanks for watching today's video. Bye!
Blah.